Let's embark on a tour starting from Kemble Airport and explore the wonderful world of farm animals. Our journey will take us through the picturesque countryside, where you'll have the chance to experience the charm of rural life and get up close and personal with some of the most beloved creatures in agriculture. Our adventure begins right here at Kemble Airport, located in the heart of the scenic Cotswolds region. As we depart from the airport, you'll immediately notice the rolling hills, lush green fields, and quaint farmsteads that define this picturesque countryside. Our tour will take us on a leisurely flight through the Cotswolds, known for its stunning landscapes and charming villages. Along the way, you'll have the opportunity to enjoy breathtaking views of the countryside, dotted with stone cottages and historic market towns. Our first stop will be at a local farm, where you'll have the chance to meet a variety of farm animals up close. From fluffy sheep and curious cows to playful pigs and galloping horses, you'll experience the sights and sounds of rural life. Our friendly farmers will share fascinating insights into animal husbandry, farming practices, and the importance of sustainable agriculture. Our farm animal adventure from Kemble Airport promises an enriching and immersive experience in the world of agriculture. It's a perfect way to reconnect with nature, learn about farm life, and create cherished memories in the heart of the Cotswolds. Remember to take snaps of your favorite animals. Be sure to tag, so fly on social media with your best shots. Horses have been our steadfast companions for millennia, offering us not only transportation but also a unique bond between human and animal. These majestic beings come in various shapes, sizes, and colours, each with its distinct personality and characteristics. From the elegant Arabian to the sturdy Clydesdale, horses have been shaped by centuries of selective breeding to serve various purposes, from workhorses to agile athletes. One of the most fascinating aspects of horses is their communication. These highly social animals use a combination of body language, vocalizations, and even facial expressions to convey their feelings and intentions. Their ears, for example, can swivel 180 degrees, allowing them to pinpoint the source of sounds or express their emotions. It's like having a conversation partner that speaks with their whole body. Horses are not just about utility. They have also been celebrated in art, literature, and even mythology throughout history. Their grace and beauty have inspired countless works of art, from ancient cave paintings to classical sculptures. Today, they continue to enchant us with their performances in equestrian sports like dressage, show jumping, and rodeo events. So, as we continue our journey through the world of these magnificent creatures, keep your eyes peeled for the striking profiles of horses grazing in the fields and the heartwarming connections between riders and their trusty steeds. pastures we'll discover the gentle and fascinating world of cows, the beloved bovines that have played a vital role in human history. As we stroll through these bucolic landscapes, let me introduce you to the captivating realm of these remarkable creatures. Cows, known for their placid demeanor and distinctive mooing, are among the most widely domesticated animals on Earth. They come in various breeds, each with its unique characteristics and purposes, from the sturdy workhorses of agriculture to the elegant dairy cows that provide us with milk and cheese. One of the most intriguing aspects of cows is their complex digestive system. They are ruminants, which means they have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments. This unique digestive process allows them to efficiently break down fibrous plant material, making them essential contributors to agriculture by converting grasses and forages into valuable nutrients. Cows are also known for their strong social bonds. In the wild, they live in herds with a strict social hierarchy, and within these groups, they form close-knit relationships. They have been observed grooming and playing with each other, showcasing their social and nurturing behavior. As we continue our leisurely walk through the pastures, keep an eye out for these peaceful and amiable animals, as well as the scenic landscapes they graze upon. It's an exploration into the world of cows, where every gentle moo, contented graze, and sun-dappled meadow is a part of their enduring and harmonious story. These charming and woolly wonders of the animal kingdom are known around the world for their famous blahaha sound. Sheep are not only known for their fluffy coats but also for their remarkable ability to communicate with each other through an extensive range of vocalizations. Yes, these seemingly quiet grazers have quite the brilliant way of expressing themselves. Each blahaha carries a distinct message, from alerting the flock about danger to calling out to their lambs. It's like a secret language right here in the fields. But wait, there's more to these woolly wonders. Did you know that sheep have an extraordinary memory? Research has shown that they can remember faces and recognize familiar humans and other sheep for years. So, if you visit a flock regularly, you might just make some ovine friends for life. As we continue our journey through these rolling meadows, keep your eyes peeled for these charming creatures, and don't forget to appreciate the cozy warmth that their fleece provides for us. It's an adventure through the fluffy world of sheep, where every bat and every bleat is a part of their captivating story. their distinctive V-shaped formations flying overhead are a common sight during migrations. They are the ultimate long-distance travelers, undertaking epic journeys that span thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. The synchronized flight patterns and vocal calls of these migratory flocks are a testament to their extraordinary teamwork and navigation skills. One of the most remarkable features of geese is their strong sense of family and community. They often form tight-knit family groups, and some species mate for life, forging lasting bonds. Watching a group of geese in flight or on the water is like witnessing a well-organized society where communication, cooperation, and shared responsibility are key. Geese are not only skilled in the air but are also known for their honking calls, which serve various purposes, from communication within the flock to alerting others to potential dangers. These honks can be quite loud and are distinctive to each species, adding to the symphony of sounds in their wetland habitats. As we continue our journey through these tranquil landscapes, keep your binoculars ready for a chance to observe the graceful flight formations and peaceful gatherings of geese. It's an adventure into the world of geese, where every honk and synchronized flight is a part of their intricate and fascinating story in the great outdoors.